Greetings. I'm Talawalai Lima, the creator of the Power Gyms, the Lion Warrior Sports High Performance Program, and the ProZone ecosystem. Today, I would like to speak to you about the Sport Unleashed report for those who have children between the ages of 9 and 11. What I'm about to share with you is critical for your child. If you want to see your child achieve the highest level in the corporate and business world. Evidence-based research states that if your child continues sports throughout his time in school, that he improves his cognitive skills and his performance in school would be better. Research also states that if a child participates in sports, more likely than not, will pursue higher education and become a graduate. When the vice presidents of the Fortune 500 companies in the USA were surveyed, 95% of them said they participated at the highest level in sports while they were in school. However, even with all this evidence, only less than 5% participate in sports too. This means that this group of 5% will secure 95% of the top jobs in the corporate and the business world. Sports has the ability to help your child to multitask, to work as a team, to be able to set a goal and to achieve it, and to be able to handle the ecstasy of victory with humility and the agony of defeat graciously. What we do know is that if a child is aware of the talent they have in a sport, they will never give up doing sports throughout their time in school. This is where the Sport Unleashed report is very important for your child. What the Sport Unleashed report does is to bring together the child's born ability with the sport gifting that the child has, so that the information is made available of exactly what are the sports the child should participate in and which are the sports the child will excel in. Please hear what these parents of 2 children who took the Sport Unleashed report have to say about it.
The Sports Unleashed report was accurate because my son gradually evolved into the new recommended positions, especially in rugby, and significantly started soccer a year later, and his positions were also similar to that highlighted in the Sports Unleashed report. I saw my son enjoy playing in the position recommended by the Sports Unleashed report, which was in rugby as centre.
When I shifted to playing centre, I felt very comfortable playing in that position.
The Sports Unleashed report definitely is an indicator, and considering its accuracy, I believe the Sports Unleashed report definitely works.
The Sport Unleashed report said her most preferred sport and event was the 100 meters and 200 meters. Everything recommended in the Sport Unleashed report was well reflected in my daughter's performance. She had many achievements in her school.
I most certainly enjoyed the sport, and mostly I felt that I have something that I am good at.
I definitely would like to recommend other parents to get the Sport Unleashed report because it gives a very good idea as to what their child is capable in from a very young age.
Download the ProZone app and click the Building Champions tile to book your child's Sport Unleashed test today. With this report in hand, you will gift your child with the ability to achieve the highest level in the corporate and the business world, which you want them to achieve.